Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the science of academic interactions. This is a slightly longer video, so if you are a teacher who would really want to bring about a difference in the classroom, please watch it till the end. There are three aspects of any verbal interaction. First, the way we interact. Second, the content of our interaction. And third, the circumstances in which we interact. Let's explore each aspect of it. The first one, the way we interact. It could be either by asking or by telling. Both of them are important, but we have to see that there should be more of asking and less of telling. Why more of asking? Because when we ask from the students, that is the time the learning connections happen with the mind. Children learn when they are exploring things on their own, when they are explaining the things, when they are evaluating things on their own, when they are concluding and interpreting. That's when learning takes place. So we have to see how much of asking are we doing in our class and how much of telling are we doing. The second one, the content of our interaction. We have to see that as teachers, are we focusing more on facts and tasks, or we are focusing more on concepts and processes? Let me explain this to you with an example, a real life example which happened with me. When I was in class 5, my science teacher asked me, what is the definition of matter? And I did not know the definition. So she gave me the punishment that you have to write the definition 100 times in your copy and bring it the next day. And I did that. And I knew for sure that matter is something which occupies space and has weight. But I really did not know that I am surrounded all over with matter, and I am matter myself. So my teacher had the focus on the facts and the tasks. Her focus was that I should know the definition which I can write in the examination. But the focus was not on connecting me to the real concept. So, as a teacher inside the class, we need to evaluate and see that are we focusing on concepts, are we focusing on processes, which means when the children come back with their project work, do we just see what the outcome is, or we really go into the depth and see how did this outcome happen, which means that what is the process that the child has adopted to come out with this project work. Most of the time, we mark the children on the basis of how finished the product is, how good, how well decorated, how beautifully presented it is. The content takes a back seat. So it's very important that we have our focus more on concepts and processes than just on facts and tasks. Let's explore the third aspect, the circumstances in which we interact. Now, inside the class, we can create an environment which is of support, or we can create an environment which is a very controlled and a managed environment. So, let us see what's the difference. Suppose there is group work which is going on inside the class. What is the teacher doing? Is the teacher moving from group to group and exploring and seeing what kind of talking is going on between the groups? Is the teacher supporting, and is the teacher involving herself with all the students? Or is it that the teacher is standing at the center and observing whether everything is happening perfectly or not? So, one is where the teacher is going ahead and offering the support. Another is where the teacher is more in control of things. So now let's see how does the combination of all three aspects of these academic interactions impact students' responses. I'm going to be leaving you with a slide in which there are 8 different permutation combinations of these three aspects. And we have done the first and the last one for you. The first one where everything is ideal, which means that the teacher is asking, teacher's focus is on concepts and processes, and teacher is supporting and involving. And in this case, the student's response is going to be definitely proper understanding of the concept. And the last one where nothing is ideal, which means that the teacher is telling, the teacher's focus is on facts and tasks, and the teacher is controlling. Now, in this case, there is no choice but to memorize the things which the child is supposed to. So here, one is leading to understanding, the other is leading to memorization. In between, there are a lot of other combinations which are possible. We've provided you with the help box. Please try to fit in the right words in the right combination. And I'll be coming out with the answers in the next video. See you till then. Take good care of yourself and don't forget to share, like and subscribe this video.